Ready to escape the everyday? Let's journey to a place of peace and wonder, right from your own room. Imagine floating among distant galaxies, surrounded by swirling colors and twinkling stars. The Astronaut Galaxy Projector brings this dream to life, painting your walls with breathtaking nebulae. Each nebula effect is carefully crafted to soothe your mind and spark your imagination. Let the gentle light wash over you, melting away the day's stress. Our little astronaut friend is more than just a projector. It's a gateway to tranquility. Adjust the projection angle to perfectly fit your space, creating a personalized cosmic experience. With the remote control, you're in command of your own universe. Dim the lights, adjust the rotation, and set the timer for a peaceful night's sleep. Drift off to dreamland, surrounded by the calming glow of distant stars. The Astronaut Galaxy Projector is the perfect addition to any bedroom, creating a serene atmosphere for rest and relaxation. Whether you're a child or an adult, the gentle light and mesmerizing patterns will lull you into a deep, restful sleep. Ready to transform your room into a celestial sanctuary? Visit the Amazon product page today and bring home your Astronaut Galaxy Projector. Experience the magic of the cosmos and unlock a world of peaceful dreams. Don't wait, your journey to the stars awaits. Tired of a messy sink area? Imagine a clean, organized space where everything you need is right at your fingertips. The Black Sweden Home Designer Sink Organizer is here to transform your kitchen. Crafted from beautiful artificial stone, this organizer is built to last. It's not just functional, it adds a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen decor. Keep your sponges, brushes, and dish soap neatly arranged. No more searching through a cluttered mess. Everything has its place, making dishwashing a breeze. The smooth surface is easy to wipe down and keep looking its best. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your sparkling kitchen. Ready to say goodbye to sink clutter and hello to a beautifully organized kitchen? Visit our website today to purchase your Black Sweden Home Designer Sink Organizer and use code CLEANKITCHEN for 10% off your order. Don't wait, transform your sink area now. Tired of your old TV? Turn it into a smart TV powerhouse with the Amazon Fire TV Stick HD. Stream your favorite movies, shows, and music with ease. It's a small but mighty device that plugs into your TV's HDMI port. Instantly access a universe of streaming content. No more outdated technology holding you back. Enjoy Netflix, Disney+, Spotify, and countless other apps. Discover new shows, revisit classics, and listen to your favorite tunes, all in one convenient place. Setting up the Fire TV Stick HD is a breeze. Just plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and start streaming. The intuitive interface makes navigation simple for everyone. Ready to transform your viewing experience? Get your Amazon Fire TV Stick HD now and unlock a world of entertainment. Click the link in the description to purchase and start streaming tonight. Ready to ditch those patchy foundation days and unlock your inner makeup artist? Let's dive into the world of flawless application with the BS Mall brush set. This 18-piece set is your secret weapon for a stunning face. From fluffy kabukis to precise detail brushes, you'll have everything you need. No more struggling with uneven blending or muddy eyeshadow. These brushes aren't just pretty, they're powerful. The premium synthetic bristles are incredibly soft and gentle on your skin. Plus, they're designed to pick up and distribute product evenly for a professional finish. 6 large kabuki brushes are perfect for creating a smooth, even base. Think foundation, powder, and blush applied like a dream. Say goodbye to streaks and hello to a radiant complexion. The 12 precision brushes are your go-to for detailed work. Conceal blemishes, define your eyes with eyeshadow, and create sharp lines with ease. Unleash your creativity and experiment with different looks. Makeup lovers are raving about the BS Mall set's quality and value. The soft bristles, comprehensive selection, and elegant rose gold design make it a must-have. It's time to experience the hype for yourself. Ready to transform your makeup routine? Click the link in the description to grab your BS Mall brush set on Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe for more makeup tips and tricks. Let's get glowing. Imagine a kitchen where every tool you need is at your fingertips. The hicoosee 22-piece kitchen utensil set. offers just that. It's a complete collection designed to make cooking easier and more enjoyable. This set includes everything from spatulas and spoons to a soup ladle and pasta server. Plus, you get a whisk, oil brush, food holder, storage bucket, and even 10 S-hooks for easy organization. Crafted from food-grade silicone, these utensils are FDA approved and BPA-free. They're gentle on your non-stick cookware, preventing scratches and extending the life of your pans. The silicone is also heat-resistant and incredibly durable. Natural wooden handles provide a comfortable, cool grip, making cooking a breeze. Cleaning is simple too. Keep your kitchen tidy with the included storage bucket and S-hooks. Hang your utensils or neatly store them away. The choice is yours. Unfortunately, the hicoosee set is currently unavailable on Amazon. We don't know when or if it will be back in stock. While the hicoosee set is unavailable, don't let that stop you from upgrading your kitchen. Click the link in the description to explore similar high-quality kitchen utensil sets that are in stock and ready to ship today. Transform your cooking experience now.